Are you looking for the top 5 best heat presses for your t-shirt business, ranked? Hey there! I recently dove into the world of heat presses and tested several options so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. If you're looking to start or elevate your t-shirt business, stick around as I share my honest experiences with the top 5 heat presses that could make or break your creative projects. Product number 1. HTVRNT Auto Heat Press Machine. Let me tell you about my experience with the HTVRNT Auto Heat Press Machine. Right out of the box, I was impressed by its sleek design and build quality. Weighing in at 40.3 pounds, it feels solid and professional, which is something I really appreciate. The first thing I noticed while using it was how easy it is to operate. You just load your project onto the machine, push the ironing board in, and press the R button. The machine does the rest, automatically adjusting to the thickness of your materials up to 1 inch. This feature alone eliminates the guesswork and the potential for ruined projects due to improper pressure. I've had my fair share of mishaps with other machines, so this was a game changer. Now, let's talk about the heat up time. The HTVRNT reaches a standard temperature of 320 degrees Fahrenheit in about 4 minutes, which is incredibly fast. Compared to traditional heat presses that take much longer, this really speeds up the workflow. It's also equipped with NTC thermistor technology, ensuring that the heat is distributed evenly across the press. I love this because I can guarantee a clean and professional finish every single time. The machine boasts 4 fast modes and 2 custom modes, making it versatile for various projects. Whether I'm working on t-shirts, bags, or even ceramic coasters, it handles everything like a champ. However, one thing to note is that while the features are great, they can be overwhelming for beginners. The learning curve might be steep for those who are not tech savvy. Safety is another strong point for HTVRNT. The design keeps the ironing board separate from the heating plate, making it a safer option, especially around kids and pets. Plus, if you leave it unattended for 15 minutes, it automatically shuts off. I can't stress enough how much peace of mind this feature gives me, especially when I get caught up in my projects. In conclusion, if you're serious about your t-shirt business and want a heat press that is efficient, safe, and versatile, the HTVRNT Auto Heat Press Machine is definitely worth the investment. It might seem a bit pricier than some alternatives, but the quality and ease of use make it a solid choice for anyone wanting to elevate their crafting game. Product number 2, Fancier Studio Digital Heat Press. Next up is the Fancier Studio Digital Heat Press, a machine that caught my attention due to its robust design and impressive features. This 15 by 15 clamshell heat press is built with a steel frame and an aluminum heat platen, which makes it durable and reliable for long-term use. When I first powered it on, I could feel the quality in the construction, which gave me confidence as I started my projects. The Fancier Studio allows for a temperature range of 0 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which is fantastic for various applications. The electronic time and heat control features are straightforward and intuitive, making it easy to set the right conditions for my materials. One of the first projects I tried was a t-shirt with a complex design, and I was pleasantly surprised by how evenly it applied heat. One of the standout features is the silicone pad, which is glued down for easy replacement. I found this particularly helpful when working on multiple projects back to back. The pressure is adjustable, and I appreciated this feature when I was transferring different materials, as it allowed me to customize the experience based on what I was working with. However, I will say that the clamshell design might take up a bit more space than I'd like, which could be an issue if you're working in a cramped area. While this heat press is a great option for beginners and seasoned pros alike, it may not have the advanced features that some high-end models offer. But for the price point of $174.99, it provides excellent value for someone just starting out or looking to expand their hobby into a small business. I've used it extensively, and it's held up well, making it a reliable partner in my crafting journey. In summary, if you're looking for a solid, no-frills heat press that gets the job done without breaking the bank, the Fancier Studio Digital Heat Press is a fantastic choice. It's user-friendly and provides great results, making it an ideal option for anyone serious about their t-shirt printing business. Product number 3, HTVRONT Auto Heat Press 2. The HTVRONT Auto Heat Press 2 is another model that really impressed me during my testing phase.
This 15 by 15 machine takes everything that made the original HTV-RONT great and enhances it further. From the moment I unboxed it, the higher heating height and adjustable pressure options stood out. This machine is designed for serious crafters who need versatility in their projects. I found that the heat up time is just as excellent as the previous model, reaching temperatures quickly and evenly. With the added feature of adjustable pressure, I was able to work with a wider range of materials, from thick hoodies to delicate fabrics. This flexibility is vital for anyone looking to expand their product line. The auto-release function is also a significant improvement, allowing me to multitask effectively without worrying about burning my projects. The user experience is seamless. The control panel is intuitive, making it easy to switch between modes. I tested it on various items, including t-shirts, bags, and even leather patches, and the results were consistently professional. However, I did find that the initial learning curve was a bit steep, especially for those unfamiliar with heat presses. One downside to note is the price point at $349.99, which may seem high for some, but when you consider the features and the quality of the results, it's an investment that pays off in the long run. Plus, HTV-RONT provides solid customer support, which is reassuring if you're new to using heat presses. In summary, if you're looking for a heat press that offers advanced features for serious t-shirt businesses, the HTV-RONT Auto Heat Press 2 is definitely worth considering. It's built for efficiency and quality, making it a top contender in the market.
Product number 4, Vevor Heat Press. Moving on to the Vevor Heat Press, which offers a compact and efficient solution for those who may not have the space for larger machines. This 12 by 10 inch heat press is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it a great choice for smaller projects. When I first used this machine, I was pleasantly surprised by how quickly it heated up, thanks to its 650 watt power. The digital precise temperature control is a standout feature. I found that it maintained a consistent temperature, which is crucial when working with different materials. The compact size doesn't compromise its performance, it still delivers quality results. The first project I tackled was a set of tote bags, and the transfer was crisp and vibrant, much to my delight. One thing to consider is that the smaller heat plate might limit the size of the projects you can undertake, especially if you're planning to work on larger items like sweatshirts or multiple t-shirts at once. But for anyone just starting out or focusing on smaller items, this machine is more than adequate. I also appreciated the affordability at $96.90, making it an accessible entry point for beginners. The Vevor Heat Press is designed with user-friendliness in mind. The controls are easy to navigate, and I found the instructions to be straightforward. However, I did notice that the silicone pod can wear out over time, so be prepared to replace it periodically. In conclusion, if you're looking for a budget-friendly, compact heat press that delivers reliable results, the Vevor Heat Press is a strong contender. It's perfect for hobbyists and those looking to dip their toes into the t-shirt printing world without a hefty investment.
Product number 5, AST&T Heat Press Machine. Lastly, I want to highlight the AST&T Heat Press Machine, which is both portable and easy to use. This 12 by 10 heat press is perfect for those who need something lightweight and compact, but still want quality results. When I received it, I was impressed by how simple it was to set up. It's designed for users who may not have a lot of experience with heat presses. The machine heats up quickly and offers decent temperature control, making it effective for t-shirts, pillows, and tote bags. I've used it for various projects, and while it may not have the advanced features of some pricier models, it certainly gets the job done. I found that it's particularly good for smaller transfers, and the results were satisfactory for the projects I tackled. One of the drawbacks is that the pressure is not adjustable, which can be limiting, especially if you're working with different materials that require varying levels of pressure. Additionally, the heating plate size may not be ideal for larger items, but for someone just starting out or focusing on smaller crafts, this machine is an excellent option. The price point of $77.99 makes it incredibly accessible for anyone looking to start their t-shirt business without a significant investment. In summary, the AST&T Heat Press Machine is perfect for beginners or those who need a portable solution. It's affordable, easy to use, and provides decent results, making it a great entry-level choice for aspiring t-shirt entrepreneurs.
So there you have it, my top 5 heat presses for your t-shirt business, each with its unique features and benefits. Whether you're just starting or looking to upgrade your equipment, there's something on this list for everyone. Do your research, pick the one that fits your needs, and start creating.